Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a significant event in Northern Ireland's history, a massive public sector strike that's set to have profound implications. Stay tuned as we explore the depth of this issue. On Thursday, Northern Ireland is bracing for what could be the biggest strike in its history. Tens of thousands of public sector workers are set to walk out, driven by a dispute over pay. This strike, warned by health bosses, is expected to have a profound impact on services, affecting them on a massive and unprecedented scale. The chief executives of the 5 regional health trusts, including the ambulance service, have expressed their concerns. They state that services are already under enormous strain and, with this strike, only minimal and emergency services will be available. Hospitals, community care and ambulances, all will feel the impact. Education is another sector facing disruption. Thousands of teachers and non-teaching staff will join the strike, leading to potentially widespread school closures and severe disruptions, particularly affecting vulnerable and marginalized students. The joint statement from the health executives calls for staff to be properly rewarded for their work. However, there are challenges due to political and budgetary instability. The Teachers Negotiating Council management side has mentioned budgetary challenges as a barrier to meeting pay demands. Public reaction has been mixed, with concern over the impact on essential services. A total of 15 unions, representing about 173,000 workers, have announced participation in this strike. These include the British Dietetic Association, the Irish National Teachers Organisation, and the Royal College of Nurses, among others. As Northern Ireland prepares for this historic strike, the implications are far-reaching. We'll keep you updated on developments. If you're in Northern Ireland, how is this strike affecting you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.